Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we attempt to make sense of the confusing financial papers of big companies, and maybe have a little fun doing it. Today we are diving into Investors Title Company's latest report, and let me tell you, if you are wondering about the health of a company that deals with property deals, you are in for a treat. This is a Form 8K, which is like a special announcement report. It is filed when something important happens that investors need to know about right away. Think of it as a company sending out a public telegram to its shareholders. The company itself is Investors Title Company, and it is based in North Carolina. They are incorporated there, and their main office is in Chapel Hill. They've been around for a while and are involved in the real estate world, specifically focusing on title insurance. Now let's talk about what is registered and traded for investors. Their common stock, which you can trade under the ticker symbol ITIC, is listed on the Nasdaq Stock Market LLC. They also have something called Rights to Purchase Series, a junior participating preferred stock, also on the Nasdaq. This sounds complicated, but essentially it is a way for companies to offer more complex investment opportunities. The exciting part for us is the financial results. They have attached a press release that gives us a look at their financial performance for the fiscal quarter that ended on the 31st of December 2025. This is the core of what we are going to unpack, because this is where the real story of how the company is doing is told. So, they are reporting their financial results for the last quarter of 2025, and this press release is our window into that. While this specific filing doesn't contain the full detailed financial tables right here in the 8K itself, it points us directly to that press release where those numbers would be. In these types of reports, the press release is often where companies first share their summary financial health before diving into more detail in longer reports like a 10Q or 10. We are focusing on what this 8K highlights, which is the announcement of these results. This report is signed off by James A. Fine Jr., who holds impressive titles. He is the president, the principal financial officer, and the principal accounting officer. This means he is a top executive with significant responsibility for the company's financial reporting and accuracy. When someone with these roles signs off on a report, it carries a lot of weight. The key takeaway here is that on the 17th of February 2026, Investors Title Company announced its financial results for the quarter ending the 31st of December 2025. This is the critical information they are legally obligated to share when there are material updates to their financial condition or operations. As investors and watchers of the corporate world, this is exactly the kind of update we want to see to understand the company's trajectory. We will assume the press release, Exhibit 99.1, contains the actual financial performance metrics that we can analyze further. Now, let's think about what this means for Investors Title Company and you as an observer. Companies usually release these updates to keep the market informed about their performance. If the results are good, it can boost investor confidence and potentially the stock price. If they are not so good, well, that can cause the opposite effect. The fact that they are reporting these results means they are adhering to transparency rules, which is a positive sign in itself for Investors Title Company. Being in the title insurance business means they are tied very closely to the real estate market. When housing sales are booming, their business typically thrives. When the market slows down or interest rates climb, making mortgages more expensive, their business can face headwinds. So, when we look at their upcoming financial results, we will be paying close attention to how they are performing in the context of any real estate market trends at the end of 2025. Did they capture more market share? Did their investments pay off? Are they managing expenses well? And most importantly, are they growing their earnings? The core of any financial report is the numbers, even though this 8K itself points to the press release for the details. The essence of this filing is the disclosure of those results. We are looking for revenue growth, profitability trends, and any interesting shifts in their balance sheet. For instance, if their revenue is up but their net income is down, it might signal rising costs or an inefficient capital structure. Conversely, if revenue is flat but profits are up, they might be doing a great job controlling expenses or increasing margins. A company's financial health isn't just about the raw numbers, it is also about the story they tell. Are these results reflecting a company that is strategically adapting to market conditions? Are they investing in growth areas? Or are they simply riding out a wave? The principal financial officer signing off suggests a confidence in the reported figures, but it is our job here at Corporate Decoder to dig a little deeper and understand the implications. Looking ahead, it will be important to see if any specific segment of their business is particularly strong or weak. For example, do they have a specific product line or geographical area that is outperforming or underperforming? This kind of detail often gets into the accompanying financial statements and management's discussion and analysis section. So, to wrap up this K filing by Investors Title Company is a crucial notification that their latest financial results are out, specifically covering the period ending the 31st of December 2025. It is the starting point for understanding their current business performance. We will be keenly interested in the details to follow in their press release to assess their financial condition, operational performance, and overall strategic position in the market. Alright, that is our breakdown of this Investors Title Company filing. What is your take on these reports and what they signal for the company's future? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If this analysis was valuable, hitting that like button really helps, and subscribe for more deep dives. Don't forget to check out the Discord in the description. Thanks for watching. See you next time.